All right, we're going to talk about how we get content to display in Canvas that may be getting blocked or stopped somehow. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we're using Google Chrome. This applies to both Windows machines and Macs. Even if you're on a Mac, you want to use Google Chrome. The second thing that can happen is sometimes we see this situation, this little shield up here in the URL. What that's doing is it's protecting us from an unsafe script. And so what we need to do is actually tell it to load the unsafe script. So if you see the shield, just click on it and you'll get the option to go ahead and load it. The next thing we need to do is also check and see how our pop-ups being blocked. Is this page or the window that should be popping up, is it getting blocked? If we see this icon right here, if that appears up there where in the previous example the shield showed up, that also means that we have a page that's getting blocked and that we can click on that and then we can allow that page to come through. Additionally, we can also set up pop-ups for specific sites by managing exceptions. If you look at these settings here, we go to the Chrome menu, go to Settings, Advanced Settings, and then go to Privacy and Content Settings. In the pop-up section, we can do manage exceptions. And so basically what that does is it lets us put in an entire URL in there. So for instance, we could do canvas.com, whatever. That way, nothing is going to get blocked for any of your classes. The very last thing that we kind of want to check here is just to make sure that you have the Flash player. If you've got Chrome, which again, that's the only browser I'm recommending right now, it's going to have Flash installed already. But just to be sure, it's never a bad idea to come to this website, get.adobe.com/flashplayer, and make sure that you do have Flash installed.